Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to upgrade your power washer hose and your fittings. So today I'm gonna teach you how to upgrade your power washer. So this is your standard hose here that comes with a power washer. I think it's a 1/4. Yes, this is a 1/4 1/4 hose, and also I'm gonna install it's 3/4, and I'll put a note in the description too. So what parts which part it is, and also the link of the parts I put it. So make sure. So after you take this off, this thing has old Teflon. Make sure you clean it up. I just use this kind of like wire brush right here on my drill right here. Let's put one in here to make your hose quick connect. Alright, so I already installed this quick connect right here from Amazon. I will put the link on the description below, and also the picture and what part it is I installed for this one. So this is your quick connect. So this is also your quick connect. Also, it comes with this another connection right here. It goes like this. So, but I'm not gonna use this one. So you will get this one. I will also link it on the screen below. And you also need a so for this hose. So this hose is also a 1/4. This is a 1/4 hose. This is much thicker than the come with a washer. This is much thicker. For 1/4 is much thicker. So more. So have more. If you have more bigger hose, is more water going into your machine, and also your washer too. So that's why I'm upgrading it. Okay. So make sure you clean the thread. Also put a new Teflon in it. All right. I'm gonna grab this. It's called a reducer kit. So reducer kit, brass. If you have the money, buy a stainless steel. It's much better, stainless steel. If you have the money, spend extra money. Just get the stainless steel. The brass it rusts fast. So I just Bear has a stainless steel one. Yeah, you only need this screw right here. You come with this screw too, but you only need this one. So this one will connect to this one, and this one go to your so this one goes to your hose. All right, let's install this one. We got a 15 right here. And my handy dandy adjustable wrench. So after you apply the adapter, also make sure you also Teflon this adapter right here. This thread right here. Make sure you just under Teflon to make sure it's leak proof. Alright guys, next step, We're gonna install this one. So I already Teflon the top already, so we're just gonna put this in. Sure it's tight, no, but not too tight. You want to thread it. All right, and that's it. And after that, just do it in the same So this is a 1/4. This see, this is a 3/8 right here. See that? It's a 3/8. See, it won't fit. Now this is a 3/8. This is a 3/8 nipple right here, and this is your 1/4, so it won't fit. So just copy the same. So make sure if you have a gun, you can install this side right here. This one. This is if you have a gun, you can install this. This is your gun right here. This step right here. Yeah, it's a good upgrade, you know. So when you can put it in the hose, so you don't have to turn it again. Just lock it in place. Very easy.
Wow, it's very nice.
All right. If you like the video, please if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. To leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.